The rolling table also comes with an extension table. Okay, the extension table for the 362 has longer shafts, and the 244 will have the shorter shafts. So depending on what table you need, you'll get the appropriate length of shaft. So this does not come with the rolling table. This is an accessory. On the extension table onto the rolling table, basically slide it into the openings, and then you would have two Allen head screws that you would screw into place to prevent it from popping all the way out. All right, that's the extension table.